Click on the New button and enter a name for the new project. In this example, Morrison Road Cut will be used for the project name. The program will automatically add a .RIL extension to the project folder name. The RIL extension will be used by Windows to set the icon for the project folder. A file selection menu will now prompt for the initial or the home image. This is the image that will be displayed when the project is initially viewed. Note that this file will be automatically copied into the new project folder. Once the home image has been selected, it will be displayed within the main work area within the RIL program. The full project folder path will also be displayed at the top of the form. You're now ready to start adding hotspots. We'll start by adding a link to another image. In this example, we'll click on a point directly below the North Cut label. A red X will be drawn at the point that we clicked on, and a dialog box will appear asking for information about this hotspot. In this example, we're just going to add a link to another image. There are 4 possible ways to add a file link. The first is to type it into the dialog box. The second is to click on the file icon and select it from the Windows File Explorer. The third is to drag and drop it from another application. And the fourth is to paste it from the Windows clipboard. In this example, we'll use the file icon approach to link to an image of the North Road Cut. So we click on the file icon and select the image from the Windows File Explorer menu. The full path to the image is now added to the link field. The display will now show a circular hotspot symbol. Clicking on this symbol will display the linked image. Next, we'll add a hotspot note. Click on a point of interest and the Add Hotspot dialog box appears. Enter the textual information about the point of interest, and the point will now change from an X to a filled circle. Clicking on this hotspot symbol will display the associated text within the preview area located along the right side of the screen. If we right-click on this hotspot, a pop-up menu will appear. Select the Edit option and add an image name just like we did for the home image. A small version of this image will now be displayed within the preview area when the cursor is moved over the hotspot, whereas a full screen version will appear if the hotspot is clicked on. As with the home image, a copy of this image file is automatically saved within the project folder. Click on the Back button to return to the previous screen. Continue to add hotspots until all points of interest have been included. In this example, we've added 10 more hotspots that link to other notes and images. Or you can add hotspots to the linked images to create a drill-down presentation with an unlimited number of levels. The file linking is not limited to images. URLs or web addresses and files such as Word, Excel, and videos can be linked to hotspots. In this example, an Excel file has been linked to the hotspot labeled PFAS results. As a consequence, clicking on the PFAS results hotspot will display the analytical results at that particular location. RIL projects may be exported to other formats by clicking on the Export button. Exporting via HTML to websites is a great way to create interactive tours that mimic the behavior of the RIL program. RIL projects may be converted to PowerPoint files for presentation at PowerPoint-only venues. And RIL projects may be compressed into zip files, thereby making it easier to distribute to colleagues who can interactively tour your project using the free version of the RIL program.